Hello students, today we are going to study new chapter lipids. Lipids, all of you very well know about fats and oils. Fats and oils. In short, it is called as lipid. The word lipid, it is derived from the Greek word lipos, meaning fat, universally present in all plants and animal cells. They are naturally occurring waxy, greasy or oily organic compounds and known as oils and fats. They are present in cell membrane and also found as a storage molecule. They are source of high energy value, therefore the important constituent of diet. They are naturally occurring waxy, greasy or oily organic molecules and also known as oils and fats. Lipids are hydrophobic in nature. What is mean by hydrophobic? Yes, students. Hydrophobic. And what is the difference between hydrophobic and hydrophilic? Water loving, it is called as hydrophilic, and water hating, that is called as hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means these are not soluble in water. These are insoluble in water. Okay, these are called as hydrophobic. And hydrophilic means these are soluble in water. These lipids are having a nature. These lipids are having a nature of hydrophobic. That is, it is insoluble in water but soluble in non-polar solvents like chloroform, benzene, ether, etc. Okay, they are present. These lipids are present in cell membrane and also found as storage molecules. They are the source of high energy value. Therefore, are important constituent of the diet. Next is, then how these lipids are classified? Means there are various types of lipids: fats, oil, waxes, lipids, glycolipids, steroids, terpenes, carotenoids. So it is mainly classified into three types by the scientist Blur. Blur in 1943 classified the lipids on the basis of their chemical composition as shown in figure. This lipid, it is classified into simple lipid, compound lipid, derived lipid. Simple lipids or homolipids, compound lipids or heterolipids, derived lipids. It is again divided into three types. These simple lipids or homolipid, simple or homolipids, again get divided into two types: fats and oils and waxes. Fats and oils having again three: triglyceride, simple triglyceride, mixed triglycerides. Waxes are sperm whale wax, beeswax, carnauba wax. Simple triglyceride and mixed triglyceride, which is having a main constituent as a glyceride. Glyceride, which is come from the glycerol and fatty acids. Fatty acids which combine with the glycerol to form the glyceride, monoglyceride, diglyceride, triglyceride. From that, triglyceride means three molecules of fatty acids with one molecule of glycerol. It is called as triglyceride. That is a simple triglyceride. Then what is a mixed triglyceride? Mixed triglyceride, it is a combined form. Means these fatty acids which is again having saturated, unsaturated fatty acids. Means one R1 group may be consisting of saturated chain, or one R2 group it is consisting of unsaturated side chain, or one may be consisting of another saturated. It is called as mixed triglycerides. Waxes are sperm whale wax, beeswax and carnauba wax, which is having a original natures of the waxes. These waxes, what is inside these waxes? See, these waxes are having acid, fatty acids and alcohol, unsaturated alcohols or saturated alcohols. It is, examples are beeswax. All of you very well known about the beeswax, from which honey we are getting the honey, that beeswax. Okay. Next is compound lipids or heterolipids. Heterolipids or compound lipid, it is having again two types: phospholipids, glycolipids, and another one type is also newer, generally it is other phospholipids. First one, phospholipids, it is phosphoglycerides when it is the consisting of a glycerol fatty acids with the phosphate. See, its name itself indicates what it indicates. These are the esters of fatty acids containing alcohol, fatty acids and other group. See, in simple lipid what is there? These are the esters of fatty acids containing glycerol. Oils are also of fats but present in the liquid state. See, clear you are note that oils and fats are it is same. Only difference is that oils and fats which is having difference in their state. These oils are also fats but the present in liquid state only. Waxes, these are the esters of fatty acids containing high molecular weight monohydric alcohols. Compound lipids or heterolipids, these are the phospholipids. These phospholipids are having the esters of fatty acids containing alcohol, fatty acids and other group. Okay, these phospholipids consisting of fatty acids, alcohol and phosphoric acid residue. They frequently have a nitrogen containing bases and other substituents. In the glycerophospholipids, the alcohol is a glycerol and the sphingolipids and alcohol is sphingosine. See, examples of the phosphoglycerides are lecithin, cephalin and plasmalogen. And second, phosphoinositosides, 5 phosphoinositide group is present and phospho group is present in phosphoinositosides. Phosphospingosides, sphingomyelin. Sphingomyelin means all of you very well known about the myelin sheath. Where it is present myelin sheath? It is present on axon, neuron which is consisting of dendrites and axon. That axon, it is having a one covering, it is called as myelin. That's myelin, it is made up of these phosphospingosides. Next, second part or second classification of these compound lipid, it is a glycolipids. Cerebrospires, example are kerosene, phenolene, nervone and oxynervone. Cerebrosides means what? It is cerebral fluid. Glycolipids which is present in cerebral fluid or called as cerebrosides. Examples are kerosene, phenolene, nervone, oxynervone. Cerebrum, it is related to brain. Cerebrospinal fluid, it is related to brain. So, the nerves and oxynervone, 2 examples, and other 2 examples are kerosene and phenolene. Then third classification of lipid, it is a derived lipids. Derived lipid which is consisting of steroids, terpenes and carotenoids. Besides these derived, compound and simple, these compound or compound lipids are also called as conjugated lipid. These conjugated lipids again having a other miscellaneous group which is consisting of lipoprotein also. Lipoprotein, aminoprotein. Likewise the phospholipids, glycolipids. It is also consisting of aminolipid which is containing amino group. Lipoproteins which is containing lipids which is containing proteins, that is a lipoproteins. It is involved in the second type of lipid, compound or conjugated lipids. Third, derived lipid which is having 3 again types, steroids, terpenes and carotenoids. Steroids having a basic structure of the perhydrophenanthrene ring. That perhydrophenanthrene ring which is having a 19 carbon atom inside that. From that another structure is derived. That is a steroid. Okay. Examples of the steroids are cholesterol, cholestanol and ergosterol. It is also consisting of C17, C27, C28, C29 steroids, C24 steroids, C18, C19, C29. See what is this number? It is the number of carbon atoms inside that rings. It is a 4 rings, A, B, C, D. Phenanthrene ring, perhydrophenanthrene ring, it is a 6 membered 3 rings, and fourth one ring is a cyclopentano. So the basic structure of the steroid, it is consisting of cyclopentano perhydrophenanthrene ring, and which is containing number of carbons when it is getting reached at the position 20, 20, 21, 22. Then when it is consisting of 24, 20, 18, 19. See the number 18, 19, 21, 24, 27, 28, 29. These are having steroids. Second one classification of derived lipid is terpenes. Examples are monoterpenes, sesquiterpene, diterpenes, triterpenes, tetraterpenes, polyterpenes. And third one is carotenoids, lycopene, carotenes and xanthophyll. Its name itself indicates it is consisting of carotenes. Okay. This is a classification of lipids. Next lecture we will study in deep this classification about the triglycerides, cholesterol, etc. Okay. Thank you students.